they collect the flowers like that. But evening they will fly back to the beehive. Right? Over there we have the
Okay.
this species of the bee we call the European honeybee or
European. The bee will stay.
In one box like that, over there we will see 7 or 8 or 9 honeycomb in the one box, but we only have one queen. Only one queen bee in the honeycomb, right? We saw a lot of the bee in here. This is the worker bee, not queen. Queen is the body. Her body is longer than the other, and then her body is bigger than the other. This is the queen. She will be the queen, right? So he will call you. Moment. I'm looking for the queen. Because the worker bee will stay. Be careful. Be careful. That the longer body. She moving and then she will drop down the body. Then she will lay egg in the honeycomb every day. Right? Every day. And then from this species of the bee, we can collect a lot of the honey, bee pollen. Your honey. After we go inside, and then we will take the honey water. Right? This is no sugar. Even for diabetic people can take. This is the second product. This is royal jelly. Because we saw the queen. This is her food. She will take this royal jelly in the honeycomb every day. But if we want to collect the honey, if we see the honey all full with the honey and then closing with the beeswax, when we collect the honey, we will make the honeycomb, put in here, put in.
Paano ulit yung ngiti mo? Arte. Para kang anak ni Emma. Anak ka ba ni Emma?
Yes.
Laki oh, 70 baht lang to. Buti hindi tayo bumili nung ano.
Oo, yung 130 pa. No?
Wait lang. Tapos. Ano? Nagsisisi ka na. Ano? Sabi ko sa'yo, yung sarap nito eh. Ang card. Nakaka-stress.
Everything so young. Parang gawa lang ni Mami.
Does it live up to your expectations, no?
It does. Kasi expected naman na ganun nga lang yung lasa.
Hindi.
Luto lang ni Mami. Naluto na ni Mami yan.
Ay, oh.
Is it rolling?
What's that? Pinya?
Pine apple?
In where? In Thailand.
Sa
Is it
Pinas
good?
hindi nagpipinya, pero dito
How does it taste like? Zesty, juicy? Is it sweet?
sweet. There's no sourness.
Talaga?
Yan.
O, tama na tong video na to kasi makikikagat na ako sa'yo. What's this?
Having some papaya.
Papaya? We don't have this in the Philippines.
What's papaya?
Papaya?
Papaya? Papaya but in...
Anak, papaya.
Is it yum?
Ang tamis.
Wow.
First papaya
In...
after Europe.
Oh,
After UK.
really?
Hi po yun. You like salt, you take salt there.
Okay.
Daddy, เอานี่ไม่ใช่ เอานี่ papaya.
Papaya, yes. Kuha ko ng
Uy.
salt.
Papaya. Ikaw, papaya.
I want some...
Apo.
Ano gamitin niya? Of one.
No salt. Why? Masarap.
Mangga.
Papaya.
Mangga. Ayun, magmangga ka.
อันนี้ก่อนนะอ่ะ papaya.
Kaso, iba yung mangga
เอา
niya.
papayaก่อน ให้ daddy ก่อน
Apple.